hello and welcome back to The Mood, the only channel where you will never get wrecked, because here guys, we don't use leverage. And these days have been crazy in terms of market manipulation. We just need to review that. I know it's not that funny and sometimes it's a bit boring, but we need to review that before we get into our daily chart analysis, guys. I'm taking this case, but it's just one amongst many others. He had 100% in crypto, came back from broke and delivering parcels. So he made life-changing money, about $1 million trading in the last 9 months, and he lost about 95% yesterday on that horrible drop. Why? Because he was using leverage. I bet he was on Bybit, guys. These stats are live and they update every single minute. In the past 24 hours, 138,000 traders have been liquidated. Liquidation means you lose everything, you lose all your money, everything. And in the last 4 hours, 100 millions have been wiped out. And this is over Bybit, guys. And in 12 hours, 200 millions have been wiped out. And in 24 hours, 708 millions have been wiped out. So guys, think about that. We are not completely out of the wood, guys. But regarding Bitcoin, this is on an analysis that I didn't update since the last crash, because I really believe things are going to recover very fast. Look at this VIX here, that is totally still super high. And the MACD seems like it's starting to bend, so we're gonna have a crossing very soon. Also, the squeeze momentum is not bad at all. We are in the red still, but we can see that there is upside coming. And the RSI, it's low, guys. I showed you yesterday how low it is, and we haven't seen lows like that since the 20th of September 2020. So we are on the way to rise again, and I know there's going to be a few more difficult days that psychologically you shouldn't really stare at the charts and you should stay away from them. But guys, anyway, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please do it. You also have my Twitter handle right here. I share all my trades over there. You also have our Telegram channel there. If you want to buy the Mood coin, please contact our kind people there. They will explain to you where it is. We have in fact a Mood coin that you can see the symbol right there available on the BSC chain. If you want to support the channel, I can guarantee you that soon many influencers, they're gonna have their own coin. So maybe it's time to invest in the Mood. Still, I'm not going to update this chart. It still looks fine for me. I still think we are going to have a massive recovery during the coming days. Maybe this weekend is going to be a little bit weird. We're going to have a lot of volatility, so be ready. Don't leverage. You'll be all right. On each and every video, we always review a coin more deeply, and today it's gonna be WRXUSD. So make sure you watch the video until the end to get the WRXUSD analysis. So right now we are on recovery mode, and guys, I only have 2 positions, as you know. I am only on Doge and Luna proportionally equal, because Luna, you guys know that I'm supporting the ecosystem, and it's really a very inventive coin. It's also supported by the Wall Street Bets gang, so at some point there might be a big pump incoming. They are really working on it. And Doge, guys, you know, because I know some of you guys don't really like Elon, and it's a very divisive question, but I believe he's not gonna let Doge down. And we had many times that he could have done that. He's not gonna do it. He's gonna keep pumping. And guys, we have to be honest. We are looking for money. That's what we are here for. We are not just here to look at beautiful charts. Yes, they are beautiful, but we are also here to make money. And I strongly believe Doge can really raise to $1 very quickly. We are going to review my favorite coins and see what they are up to. So let's start with Cake. Cake is rising and really rose like 30% yesterday. So this 3% we lost this morning are actually nothing. And we can see here the VIX is amazing. MACD about to cross. The RSI is extremely low. So I'm gonna show you guys what I plan actually to happen on Cake. And we have now a new support line right here that is gonna turn into resistance if we drop more, but I don't think so. I think at some point Cake is gonna stay around these levels for the coming days, and we'll see on Monday. BNB also have a new resistance line right now, and it's gonna be right here. We have this one, but we also have one right here that made support. And we really climb up there, and we can see exactly the same stuff that happened here and there. So guys, you know my point of view over what happened during 2 days ago. It's perfect market manipulation, and we are absolutely not on a bear market. So stay on spot, inject money when you can. That's what I'm going to do, and at some point we'll be profitable again and we'll be starting trading again. So please guys, if you want to follow my trades, you know where to go, and subscribe to the channel. And BNB is also going to go back up. I think we're going to have the same configuration on many coins. They are going to range around this area before another leg up right there. And Ethereum is absolutely at the same point. We met resistance right here on that historic resistance line, and now we are creeping back up here, and we are going to see the same kind of price action as this. BTT is climbing up, and that was my prediction for a few days ago, so we are soon reaching it. VET is exactly in the same kind of configuration, guys. That's what we are going to see. Saya coin is the same. You know, that was my prediction, so we are going to rejoin it very soon. Solana is one of the coins that really behaved the best during this crash, so really I'm gonna put it on my top list. When we have to take decision and start trading again, Solana is gonna be one of my first choice, clearly. Chili's met resistance and is soon gonna reach back my prediction. Dent dropped really hard because that's a coin that was pumped a lot during that time period because of the work of many influencers, and congrats if you sold here at the top. We made some nice prediction all along here, and we predicted the top, we predicted that move, but this move that we had everywhere, nobody could predict it, guys. Market manipulation. Horizon is also doing great and is gonna soon reach back his organic move and go back above this resistance line of the $100. And guys, this is actually the Tesla chart. We were talking about Doge before, and the Tesla chart looks great. I think they are going to be correlated at some point. This Tesla chart looks absolutely amazing. We are going to see, I'm not doing stocks, but going back to Doge, we are going to see this kind of move very soon and reach back the $700 level, and Doge is probably going to follow because now they are like linked together. XRP resisted perfectly on this parabolic resistance line, and now it's catching up as the other coins, and we are going to range around these levels before another breakout here. And if you are invested in SHIB, for the crazy ones that are really taking risk on on micro caps, and I'm considering eventually to get a position in SHIB at these levels, because look at this VIX here. This MACD is about to cross and we just hit that resistance line right here, so things are looking quite good. At that point, SHIB might see a huge bounce, and you know guys how crazy are the gains on micro caps like that. So, and this is just for a second the mood chart, the coin of this channel, and we are now trading at $42.95. Guys, if you're interested, please contact our people on our Telegram group. They will explain everything to you how to buy it. But it's time for the coin of the day, and the coin of the day is going to be WRXUSD. I know many of you guys are holding this coin, so it's time to assess what's going to happen for WRXUSD and how high it can go from here. I think we touched the bottom, so make sure you didn't leverage anything. You are going to be good, trust me. WRXUSD is going to have a nice bounce. So last time we tried to go on their website and we had some slowdown because maybe they have better DNS servers. In India, WRXUSD is actually an exchange designed for the Indian people. You can see guys, everything is fine. The chart is loading perfectly. So we are good. Now let's see the WRXUSD chart. So this is our WRXUSD chart, and in fact, yeah, that's the kind of situation I understand. If you bought it here at $6, well, that's bad. But we had this bearish divergence here, guys, and when you see a coin pumping like that, you have to be extremely aware of that. You don't want to be stuck in that kind of position, and if you were on leverage, bye-bye, it's goodbye blue sky. But here we are. So we found our main resistance line, and it totally held us during that nasty drop that broke many coins parabolic line. And we have two kind of resistance here that's forming basically a triangle, but you guys know I'm not trading patterns and I'm not interested in patterns. They are really too random. What matters is to find our main resistance and then understand the price action thanks to all our precious indicators. We found really a good support here around this area, so it might be the bottom, and if it's not, we might go as low as $1 actually, but I don't think it will go that low, seriously. We also have a resistance line here over the RSI, and we are trading right underneath it. So it might resist a little bit. But know one thing, when you see the resistance line over the RSI right here, the next stop, it's gonna be super high, much higher than the other ones. So I'm convinced this coin is going to have another pump like that sooner or later. So if you are a holder, you better add some position right here at the bottom. So here we are. I think we have everything. Now let's see what we can predict for WRXUSD during the coming days. And this support line should totally hold us. That's gonna be our scenario 1. And we are going to find some resistance here. It's gonna probably take us a little bit more down, but once we break this, you can expect a move up to $4 actually during, let's say, in a window that will start around the 10th of June, guys. So be patient. This position is gonna be a winning position at some point. If you want to have better profits once we reach this price level, you'd better inject more liquidities into your position if you are stuck in it, and I know many of you guys are. So that's the best strategy to do. And of course, if you have any kind of leverage at that point, get rid of it, please, please, please. I also made a little poll yesterday over my Twitter account to know, guys, if you already were interested in the mood coin, and many of you guys are, and there are some people that don't know really how to use PancakeSwap, so I'm gonna explain it to you, because actually that's the place that you can buy the coin. I'm working hard to have it listed on some exchanges, and I understand that some of you guys don't really want to go into that, and it's perfectly fine. As I say, it's not mandatory, and the content of this channel is not gonna change for you. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and also you can talk to us there over our Telegram group. Everybody is going to be happy to welcome you. Thank you very much for everything, and until Monday, I wish you an excellent weekend, and hopefully we're not gonna be too much tanked during this weekend. We're gonna be able to rest because it's really these last days have been a bit complicated for everybody, clearly. So guys, in the meantime, have fun, relax, chill out, go out if you can, if you're not on lockdown, and breathe the fresh air and relax. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye, guys.